Welcome back to Hodgepodge. Today we are talking about the Monster Clarity 101 Airlinks. And I picked these up for about an even $70. They have a charging case, which is pretty sweet. Always a must with wireless Bluetooth headphones. They are durable, splash proof. They do have voice control. They are wireless Bluetooth 5.0. And they have 25 hours with a charging base. So let's open them up. Alrighty. Here we go. Oh yeah. Hold on. We gotta do that again. Sweet. I'm gonna keep this box. Who wouldn't? Alright. Here is a charging base. Pretty cool. Oh, and there they are. Whoa, that was sweet. Check that out. Little unveil. It's got the Monster logo right on there. And it automatically clicks to open. And back closed. Clicks. Open. Clicks. I like the rolling of this. There's like a certain viscous smoothness to it. Alright. Headphone 1. There's a charging port. I wonder if I can charge my Juul on here. Think about it, guys. Alright. There you go. It's got the left and right marked, just in case you get them confused. There's that. I imagine this is a charging cord. It's got the Monster logo on there. We have more plugs for different sized ears. That's what that is. User manual, warranty, and cord. Good, comes with a cord. Alright, you can never have enough cords. That's where you would plug that cord into. There you go. Does not have wall outlet, but that's alright. I have plenty of those. So, has some plastic on it. So they haven't been charging this whole time. The charging nodes have been covered by plastic. Magnet right in. Wow. Snatched it out of my hand. Whoa. Okay. Look at the blue light on there. Wow. Gonna look so badass in these. And we can say nighty night. Back open again. Take the earbuds out of the charging case and earbuds will automatically power on. Put the earbuds into the charging case and the earbuds will power off and charge. Cool, cool. So they automatically turn on and off as you put them on the charger and take them off. Pairing voice prompted will be heard for a new device connection. Alright, so here we go the right, here we go the left, and they fit so well. They just said pairing. Definitely recommend having a cord on these. They're going to be attached there, so I'm glad they have that. Already popped up on my phone, so the pairing is easy. Guess I have small ears. And the music automatically played, so that's pretty sweet. Music started automatically. Whoa, the bass is booming. Whoa, the bass on this is amazing. Oh my God. The bass though. I'm gonna have to turn down the bass on my phone. So either side, just one touch, and it will pause the music. That's pretty sweet. To control the volume, you just double press. You're getting as much as 25 hours worth of battery life with this charging case. You'll never have to worry about it ever not being charged. It is protective. It rolls right over. It fits in a pocket, coat pocket, jeans pocket, you name it. Great size, Great case, great packaging. Love it. So, short press button to answer the phone call. To reject the call, long press button for about 2 seconds. Okay, so it has a long press option as well. Pretty intelligent, to be honest. These are smart earbuds. So the blue LEDs flash every 6 seconds. So if you're walking around on the street at night, expect these to flash every 6 seconds. And you can voice control these on your phone. You can tell them power on and power off. They will power on and off automatically. Let's see if we charge one while we're listening to the other. So you could charge one while you listen to the other. That's pretty cool. They're super high quality. They got like a super dynamic range. I love the blue LED on the side. All right, I mean, I wish there were a way for me to show you what these sounded like in person. Check this out. I can pause the YouTube video. Paused. Playing. Paused. Playing. Now, I'm adjusting the volume. That's pretty sweet. When you can control your computer with some Bluetooth earbuds. This is my Mac Pro. Alright, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please leave it a like. Check out my other videos and subscribe.